Alright guys, I'm so excited to get into this. Let's unbox this. This is the Fouroscope palette, the Earth Angel collection by Benefit. We don't need this. So, oh, this is really cute packaging. I kind of love all the earth tones. I love that it's paper, so then it's not gonna get all like weird in my drawer with all my other palettes. This is cute packaging. Love the colors, beautiful. I'm absolutely loving the mirror. That's a really big size mirror, and I kind of love this little guide. You know, this is where you're supposed to apply the products, so I'm super excited for that. So here you have your Hoola Bronzer, which is a fabulous bronzer, and I absolutely love that one. And then this is Georgina, and this one is just a really nice warm blush to warm up the face. You also have a really nice honeymoon blush right here, which is a pink blush. And then you've got this one right here, which is Cookie, which is a highlighter, which I haven't actually tried before, but I hear it's one of their really good ones. So I'm just going to swatch all these on the back of my hand for you. So just starting with these shades right here. So I'm going to start with Cookie. Oh, that's pretty. And this is Georgina. That's really nice too. That actually has some sheen to it. This is the Hoola Bronzer and the blush. These are really pretty. And Cookie, I can see why everyone loves it so much. That is really, really pretty. Can't wait to put that on the face. Alright, so I'm going to start with my bronzer. I'm just going to go in with a really big fluffy brush, and this one's actually from ColourPop. This is a F28 fluffy brush. I'm just going to go in and pick up some of that Hoola Bronzer right there. We're just going to bronze the perimeter of our face. Love that. That is really, really pretty. But I've always loved this product, so I'm really excited that they came out with this cute little summer fabulous palette, which you can throw in your purse, perfect for the beach, perfect for going to work and going out for lunch with the girls afterwards. Love this palette. Super bronzed, looking cute, love it. So because I don't have any eye makeup on, I'm actually going to go in and use this palette for my eyes as well. So I'm going to actually start with this one right here, which is Georgina. I'm just again taking a really nice fluffy brush. This one is from Morphe, the Jaclyn Hill collection. This is a JH30. And I'm just going to place this on my eyes, which is just going to give me that really light, dewy, just a pop of color, just a tiny bit of color. So we just want like a soft glam. And I want to show you guys how versatile a palette like this can be. That's really pretty. Love that. So just a little pop of color. So I'm actually going to go into Honeymoon, which is the blush color, and I'm going to use the same fluffy blending brush. We're just going to pick up some of that blush, tap that off, and I'm just going to place that on the lower lid. Again, this is not an eyeshadow palette, but we're just going to do a really soft, feminine, nice spring summer look. Really cute, loving that. So now I'm going to actually go in with a blush brush, which is this guy right here, and this is also from, oh, this one is from BH Cosmetics, and this is a number 4. I'm going to pick up Honeymoon, which is the blush color. I'm just going to pop that on our cheeks, just like that. So cute, loving that. Love that color. I'm just going to take a little bit more blush because, you know, I'm fair and I want to be blushed. This is such a beautiful shade. Love this. Now that I have some blush on, I'm actually going to go in and pick up some of that beautiful Cookie highlighter. So this is just like a little highlighting brush, and this one is a ColourPop F32 brush. I'm going to pick up Cookie right here. Now this is a really pretty intense highlighter, so I'm just going to apply this right here. Ooh, that is nice. This is a really, really good highlighter. Love that. Okay, so a little bit goes a long way. If you don't want it to be too blinding, go back in with this, you know, powder brush or a blush brush. Just, you know, soften the edges just a little bit right there, because we don't want that blinding highlight. All right, I'm gonna go in with my highlighting brush that I just used. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more of that highlighter. I'm just going to place that just on my brow bone right there. Again on the other side. Okay, to finish off this look, I'm just gonna go in with my ring finger. I'm just gonna pick up some of that cookie highlighter right here. I've got some on my ring finger. I'm just gonna go into the inner corner of my eye, place some of that down, just like that, just to kind of give us a little bit of sparkle in the inner corner. I'm going to take a fluffy, clean blending brush. Just gonna blend that out right there. All right, guys, I'm just gonna go in, apply some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just went in and I applied some Makeup by Mario nude liner, which I love that liner. Like, just the, you know, it just makes your eyes pop. It's a very vibrant liner. I love it. If you guys want, you know, that summer vibe look like I've got going on right now, so good. All right, and I just applied some mascara. I figured no falsies today. We're just gonna, you know, embrace our lashes because we're just doing this amazing summer vibe look, and I love it. All right, guys, time to score these products. Starting with fallout. I didn't experience any fallout, so I actually really like this. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Next up, application. So when it comes to applying this, I didn't have any problems with it whatsoever. So again, 10 out of 10. So when talking about pigment for this palette, I mean, these colors are super gorgeous. I absolutely love them. So I'm going to give this one 10 out of 10. Finally, value. So let's talk about this palette right here. So this is coming in at $48 Canadian, and I think that's a little bit high considering you can only create one look with this. Like, the company benefit, love you, but you're forcing us to buy the other two palettes in the collection to create different looks. Like, I mean, you could take the bronzer right here, this beautiful Hoola Bronzer, and just kind of maybe golden up your eyes a little bit more, but really you just have this really cute summer look, and that's that. So for that reason, I'm going to actually give this probably a 6 out of 10 because I think $9 a shade is cheap in comparison if you were to buy all these products individually, but at the same time, you're buying a palette to kind of create different looks, and this one isn't all that versatile, so 6 out of 10. Giving us a final score of 36 out of 40. So should you buy this, wishlist it, or avoid it? And I'm thinking wishlist it. Unless you already have these products, probably wishlist it, but I would definitely buy this one if you're going on vacation or you just want something quick to throw in your bag, something for in your purse for at the office. This is a great product. It's a great palette. I love it. But if you have the Hoola Bronzer, if you have the blush, if you have the highlighter, definitely you don't need to run out and buy this palette because then you're just left with one product. But it is really, really pretty, and I absolutely love this look. Completely adore it. So if you guys love videos like this one, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I appreciate it. And hit that like button too. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys!